Ayan, good morning guys. This is Ram from ZY Shop. So ayan, nako-conscious ako nakikita ang aking pimples. So by the way, this is Ram from ZY Shop. I'm the owner and founder of ZY Shop. So welcome sa ating mga bagong distributor. So this is Build Your Own Business seminar para sa mga newbies, ano? Ito yung webinar na ginagawa natin every Sunday to welcome the newbies, yung mga bagong business starter natin. So, ayan. Again, welcome to ZY Shop. So, before anything else, I want to see your faces in the camera. Gusto mo na makita yung mga faces natin. Let's all smile. Smile tayo, ngiti tayo. Kasi marami tayong kailangan ipagpasalamat ngayong araw na to, guys. Diba? So, I want to see your faces in the camera. Diba? And today is Sunday. No, it's worship day. So, ayan. Teka, hindi ko makita yung controls. Alright. Ito pala. On behalf of Annabelle, hello guys. Ayan. So I want to see your faces in the camera. And guys, do you know na before that, before anything else, I want to take this opportunity to take a picture with my major distributors, sa mga business partners namin, no? I want to take this opportunity to take a picture with you guys. So, let's all smile. Smile tayo, yung malaki-malaking ngiti. Yan, smile. Ayan. O, diba, nag-smile tayo? That is because, guys, you have a lot of things to be thankful for. Marami mang bagay ang hindi ibinigay sa inyo. Lagi niyong tatandaan, marami namang bagay ang ibinigay na hindi nyo naman hiniling. So, let's all inhale. Exhale. That is one thing. Yung hinga, bawat hininga mo ngayon, hindi mo yan hiningi, diba? For sure. Wala naman ang... But still, God gave it to you. So, kahit anong problema ang pinagdadaanan mo, mahirap man yan, lagi mong tatandaan na may solusyon. Lagi mong tatandaan na kayang-kaya mo yan. So, ayan. Again, welcome sa lahat ng newbies dito sa ZY Shop. So, this is Build Your Own Business with ZY. So, ayan, masaya na yung ambience, no? Masaya na tayo ngayon. Naramdaman na natin yung presence ni Lord. Naramdaman na natin na we are loved. Mahal tayo ni God, di ba? Kaya, kahit anong hirap ng pinagdadaanan natin, there is always something to be thankful for. Alright? So, ayan. Let's keep this program rolling. So, ito ay Build Your Own Business with ZY para sa mga Pinoy na gustong magsimula ng sarili nilang negosyo. So, who is ZY Shop? Ipapakilala ko lang po kung ano bang klaseng kumpanya ang pinasukan ninyo, no? ZY Shop will soon be also registered in SEC. So, ayan, registration na tayo as Z-Shop Company, but we are already registered in DTI. So, Z-Shop is a direct selling company carrying apparel, shoes, accessories, and personal care products. So, we are working through a network of distributors who sell our products through e-commerce. Primarily, ang target market natin sa Z-Shop is OFWs. Gusto nating i-turn ng OFWs into OFE. Instead of overseas Filipino workers, we want to turn them into overseas Filipino entrepreneur. Dito kasi ang goal ni ZY Shop is to turn employees into entrepreneurs. So, ZY Shop was founded by Miss Mary Rose Ramdagdag. So, that's me, no? To provide an opportunity for thousands of people. Because I believe every people has their capacity, has their potential, no? Wag nating limitahan ang sarili natin. Wag nating limitahan ang kakayahan natin. Kasi, lahat ng kakayahan na pag-aaralan. Kung iniisip mong mahirap, kung iniisip mong hindi mo kaya, just believe in yourself. That is the first thing that you have to do. Paniwalaan mo ang sarili mo. I believe every Filipino can be an entrepreneur to fulfill their potential. The dream of being financially secured has become more attainable with ZY. So I was awarded for World-Class Achiever and an Outstanding Lady Entrepreneur for 2020. Maraming salamat po sa Malaysia Group of Entrepreneurs sa pagkilala. So back in 2014, I set out a goal to build a business not only for me. Kasi lagi ko nga sinasabi, sa lahat ng nagsisimula ng negosyo dito, never start a business to make money, no? Start a business to make a difference. Because money will follow once you make a difference. Kapag na-build mo na yung brand mo, na-establish mo yung goal mo, tutuloy-tuloy na ito. To help other people to build their own clothing business with a minimum capital, yan talaga yung goal natin yan, no? So, I wanted to give an opportunity to every Filipino to become their own boss. Kaya nga, sabi ko, sa this October, ang ating hashtag is Boss Your Future. Kasi guys, tayo ang boss ng future natin. Kung anong gusto mo mangyari bukas, kung anong gusto mo mangyari sa kinabukasan mo, pwede mo yang planuhin. Pwede mong planuhin, pwede mong hilingin. Just ganito lang yan lagi. God, I will do my best, but you do the rest. Diba? Lagi nating let God handle it. Ganon. So recently, CY Shop was awarded for World-Class Excellence and an Asia Pacific Excellence Awardee. So thank you so much po. So hindi lang tayo sa Philippines kinilala, kundi kinilala tayo world-class, worldwide tayo, no? So maraming salamat po. I want to present to you my team because I believe that sa likod ng isang matagumpay na tao, merong isang grupo ng mga matatagumpay na tao. So this is mine. Diba? This is my tribe of successful Filipino entrepreneurs. Kasi dito sa Z-Shop, ang binubuo natin dito ay komunidad ng mga negosyanteng Pinoy. Yun talaga yung goal natin. So, si business is actually our side job. But what we are forming here is a community of Filipino entrepreneur. So, that is primarily the goal of Z-Shop. So, these are my gold members. Mga empowered Pinay, entrepreneur, mga lehitimong online seller na Pilipinas, mga negosyanteng Pinoy. So, isang bagay na ginawa ni COVID is yung dumami ang ating mga or maging utak negosyante tayo. So, just want to share with you guys that 10% of our profit per quarter goes to outreach program. So, every now and then, since day 1 ng Z-Shop, I form a business to help other people build their business. I also help, kasi gusto ko, hindi naman po kami kasi galing sa isang mayamang pamilya. No? So, para dun sa mga scholars dyan, nakagaya ko, ayan, 'di ba? Hindi madali. Sino dito yung mga nakaranas na lugaw lang ang kinakain, 'di ba? Hindi po madali 'yon. Pero that is why I am giving back. Everything na ibinigay sa akin, I am giving back. So, I want to present to you that Z-Shop was able to have 5 mini library na naipatayo na po. So, that is one in Aurora, Kasiguran, Aurora. We also have one in Batangas. We also have one in Tarlac. And recently is in Abra. No? So, the secret of living is giving. So, para sa mga nagsisimulang magnegosyo dito, don't be after profit. Okay? Huwag kayong maging after dun sa profit nyo. Maging after kayo dun sa impact ng negosyo ninyo. Hindi kasi yan pwede na dahil gusto mong magkaroon ng negosyo or gusto mong umangat ang buhay mo, you just do everything what it takes, no? Pero kailangan, we are living here in this world with a purpose. You must know your purpose. So, Kung sino man dito ang nakabasa na ng Purpose-Driven Life, 'di ba? Purpose-Driven Life talks a lot about it. 'Di ba? So yan. So I just want you to engage in and listen carefully with this. Ito talaga yon. Ito yung gusto kong pakinggan natin maigi. Pakinggan natin tong sasabihin ni Sir. And then I want you to analyze later on. I'll ask, which mindset do you have? Naririnig ba? Naririnig. Yan. Pakinggan natin itong sasabihin ni Sir. And then I want you to analyze later on. I'll ask, which mindset do you have? Hininaan ko na dahil. Cellphone sa bidahan. Oh. Ito. Ay, shit, 10%. Just burn. Oh, ito pa. Girl, papalit-palitin na lahat ng account.
Do you have a fixed mindset? And even if you do, that's fine. First step is awareness, though. Which one are you being every single day? Ask yourself that question. As always, thanks for watching. Peace.
Ayan. So, which one are you? Do you think you have a growth mindset? Can you chat me on the chat box? Are you afraid of risk? Are you afraid of changes? Then you have a fixed mindset. No? So, dito sa ZY Shop, if you want to become an entrepreneur, kailangan yung mindset natin is always palaban. Diba? Maraming problemang dumarating sa atin when it comes with entrepreneurship. But if you do have a mindset na kahit anong mangyari, babangon. Kahit anong mangyari, lalaban. Kahit anong mangyari, kayang-kaya. Diba? So, which mindset do you have? Can you comment on the comment box? Do you have a growth mindset on the chat box? Or a fixed mindset? So I know what kind of people I'm talking to. Are you afraid of changes? Are you afraid of taking risk? Because if you are, then first thing that you have to do is to ask better questions. Am I ready to become an entrepreneur? Am I really ready? Handa na ba talaga ako? O baka gusto ko lang subukan to? Diba? Mindset is everything. Kahit mahina o mabenta ngayon, sabi ko nga sa inyo, sa pagtitinda, hindi araw-araw Pasko. Kaya kailangan handa ka. Kailangan may plano ka kapag ganito ang nangyari. Hindi yan pwedeng sige ka lang ng sige. Oo, dapat palaban tayo, pero kailangan handa rin tayo. Dapat handa tayo sa kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari. Ang pinakamas malungkot na na balita, hindi tayo handa sa COVID. Are we ready? Are we really prepared? Even US, even United States, Australia, Canada, Taiwan, China, they are not prepared for COVID-19. But the good thing about Filipino is they are able to adapt sa pagbabago. Meron tayong growth mindset. It's just that we are afraid to grow. So dito sa ZY Shop, one thing that you have to choose ZY is because we will equip you with the knowledge, educations that you need in order for you to succeed as an entrepreneur. So guys, congratulations. Dito sa mga bagong major distributors, you did the first step. And the first step is to start your business. Pero gusto kong itanong nyo sa sarili nyo, why you really start up a business? Kasi kung hindi pa malalim yung anchor natin doon sa gusto nating mangyari, doon sa mga pangarap natin, mananatili tong pangarap. If you do have a goal right now, you have to write it down. Ano ba yung plano mo? Ano ba yung goal mo? Diba? So, I want you to get a pen and paper. O tayo na papel at ballpen, no? Ito yan. Kailangan kasi handa tayo. Kailangan, sulat natin sa papel. What keeps you going? Diba? Bakit mo gustong magtagumpay? What makes you different? What makes you striving harder? What makes you great? Kasi kailangan, kung meron kang goal, gigil ka para ma-achieve mo yun. Kasi kung may goal ka lang, pero chill-chill ka, do you think you can achieve it? Diba? You want to have a 1 million sale. Pero pa-chill-chill ka lang and let your distributors, let your resellers do it for you, then do you think you are on the right path? Diba? So, kailangan, meron tayong matinding hugot sa buhay. Ano ba yung matinding hugot mo sa buhay? I want you to write down your hashtag hugot sa buhay. Okay. I want you to write down in a paper, ano ang nagpapasigla sa iyo araw-araw? Ano ang nagpapabangon sa iyo araw-araw sa higaan? 'Di ba? Kailangan meron tayong hugot sa buhay. Dapat we are motivated every day. Every moment. We should be motivated 101%. We should keep going. Na kahit anong pagsubok ang dadaanan mo, kapag kinuha mo yung hugot sa buhay mo, babangon at babangon ka. Kahit na down ka na. Bakit ka nagsimula ng negosyo? Or bakit mo gustong magsimula ng negosyo? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Gusto mo ba talagang magsimula ng negosyo? Bakit? Para kanino? Para saan? Kung para yan sa pamilya, para sa anak mo, then you have it. Diba? Our biggest dream is to have a good life with our family. Yung mabigyan si nanay at tatay ng magandang buhay. Kaya yung iba sa atin, kailangang maging OFW. Kailangan makipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa para makapagbigay ng magandang buhay. Pero alam nyo guys, hindi nyo kailangan umalis ng Pilipinas. It's just that, pinalaki tayo sa culture na kailangan mong mag-aral mabuti para magkaroon ng magandang trabaho. Hindi tayo pinalaki sa culture na mag-aral kayong mabuti para magkaroon ka ng magandang negosyo. Meron ba ditong nanay na nagsabi na kailangan mong magkaroon ng magandang buhay or kailangan mong magkaroon na mag-aral mabuti para magkaroon ng magandang negosyo? Meron ba? 'Di ba? Parang wala naman. Because that's the mindset. Imagine niyo to. Chinese pupunta sa Pilipinas para magnegosyo. Bombay pupunta sa Pilipinas para magnegosyo. Australiano pupunta sa Pilipinas para magnegosyo. Amerikano pupunta sa Pilipinas para magtayo ng kumpanya. Indiano pupunta sa Pilipinas para magnegosyo, pero ang Pilipino aalis ng Pilipinas para magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Bakit? Because of the culture, because of the mindset na itinanim sa atin. This is technically because of nasakop tayo ng iba't ibang bansa. Na akala natin tayong mga Pinoy, we are slave. We are born to become slave. 'Di ba? Ganun tayo pinalaki. Ngayon guys, this is the time for you to wake up. Di ba kaya mo ring tumayo sa sarili mong paa? Kaya mong magsimula ng negosyo? Kailangan mo lang ng konting tapang. Kailangan mo lang patunayan sa lahat, sa buong mundo na kaya mo. Pilipino, kaya mo. Kaya nga ang tinatayo ko dito, negosyanteng Pinoy. Kasi tayong mga Pinoy, pwede rin tayong maging negosyante. Kailangan lang nating isipin, kailangan lang nating tibayan yung greatest hugot natin sa buhay. Itong COVID-19, para tayong tinapon sa isang malaking swimming pool. Kung sino ang marunong lumangoy, makakasurvive. Lahat ng Pinoy naging entrepreneur. That is one thing na pinakamagandang naidulot ni COVID-19. Di ba sabi ko nga nung nakaraan, ano kaya talaga yung hashtag ni God sa 2020? Ano ba talaga yung story ng 2020? Ano kaya yung plano ni God? Technically, para gisingin tayo na hindi lang tayo kailangang mabuhay para magtrabaho. Diba? Kailangan nating mabuhay para enjoyin ang buhay. But if you are going to work, diba? How are you going to live your life? You have to ask yourself better questions in order for you to strive harder and give it. Bawat isa sa inyo, sa lahat ng participants ko dito sa Zoom meeting na to guys, bawat isa sa inyo may kakayahan, bawat isa sa inyo may potensyal na magkaroon ng isang magandang buhay. Kailangan mo lang hanapin yung anchor mo para mas lumalim pa yung dahilan mo para ipagpatuloy mo. How deep is this water? Oftenly, kapag si-swimming kami, no, yung anak ko lagi niya tinatanong, Mami, gaano kalalim kaya yung swimming pool na yan? Niisip ko lang, it is the same pala kapag ang tao nagtatanong, magkano ang kikitain ko dyan? Diba? Before they will ask, dapat, before you ask kung magkano ang kikitain mo, ang tanong, ano ang kaya mong ibigay para kitain mo yun? Hindi kasi yan pwedeng bibigyan ka lang ng pera ng negosyo. Kailangan may gagawin ka din para kumita ka. Walang easy money sa mundo. Walang success overnight. How deep is this water? The right question is, will you be able to survive if the water is deep? Do not take shallow water kung saan alam mong kaya mo. Kailangan, if you are going to pick a water, dun ka sa pinakamalalim. Para alam mo kung hanggang saan ang kakayahan mo. If you're going to take risks, take risks. Ibigay mo lahat. Be committed. Diba? Kasi, ganito lang yan, no? Mapa-networking, MLM or business. Kahit anong negosyong pasukin mo, kung hindi mo pag-aaralan kung paano ka kikita, hindi ka kikita. Tapos sasabihin mo na scam ka. Diba? Ganun tayong mga Pinoy eh. Kapag effective dun sa isang tao, the right question is, kung kinaya niya, for sure kakayanin mo din. Hindi yan pwede yung kinaya niya, ay mahirap yun, hindi ko kaya. Hindi naman ako bachelor's degree. Diba? So just to give you a tip, no? Si Miss Rampo is not a graduate of college, is not a bachelor's degree holder. No. I'm an undergraduate of mass communication. And I'm proud of that. Diba? You need to be proud of yourself. You need to know what is your potential. Kailangan alamin mo at kilalanin mo yung sarili mo. Kasi yan yung puhunan mo. So if you're going to pick a water kung saan ka matututong lumangoy. Wag yung easy-easy lang. Ha? Wag yung madalian lang. Hindi pwede yun. Kailangan sa negosyo, kung pipili ka lang din naman ng tubig na lalanguyin mo, dun ka na sa matututo kang mag-dive para makita mo yung kagandahan ng ocean, di ba? Ganon din po sa negosyo. Kung gusto mong magtagumpay, kailangan dun ka na sa pinakamalalim ang risk. Para kapag nakita mo yung bunga, worth it. We all make choices, but in the end, our choices makes us. Who you are right now and what you do right now is a part of your choice before. And congratulations for those who make a choice today to start their business. You are on your way to success. Bakit? Hindi ka naman kasi makakaakyat sa second floor kung hindi ka hahakbang sa first floor or sa unang hakbang. And for you, in order for you to become a successful entrepreneur, you have to start your business. Hindi ka kasi pwedeng puro theory lang. Hindi ka pwedeng puro libro lang. Hindi ka pwedeng puro nood lang ng Chinkitan ng Bo Sanchez. Hindi mo malalaman na effective ka palang entrepreneur kung wala kang negosyo. 'Di ba? Starting is your foundational key to success. And again, congratulations para sa lahat ng mga major distributors na nagsimula ng kanilang negosyo. This is the power of online business. 9 to 5 schedule, employed. No time, no travel, no money. Kasi budgeted lang tayo dyan di ba? So, sasahod ako ng 20,000, 10,000, pambayad sa upa, 5,000, pambayad sa grocery, 5,000, pambayad sa ilaw, utilities, di ba? So, wala tayong naiipon. So, hindi tayo nakakapag-travel. Self-employed, no? They have a lot of time. They do not have a lot of time. They do not have time to travel, but they have a lot of money. So, ito, share ko lang sa inyo. Just want to share this one with you, no? I have a major distributor who started his business with me 4 years ago. 69 years old siya nun. Tapos sabi niya, 69 years old, OFW pa siya that time. Kasi hindi pa siya inaano. In times of COVID, alam mo, nag-succeed siya. Lagi yan na nagna-number 1 sa top in sales. Galing kasi si Sir. I actually learned a lot from him. So this is Sir Laurel. Unfortunately, nung bumalik siya sa Pilipinas, I was actually planning na, Sir, let's meet up. Tapos enjoy tayo ng enjoy natin ang buhay. Diba? Fortunately, nung umuwi siya dito sa Philippines, sabi niya, Ram, napakaswerte mo. Kasi nagsimula ka ng negosyo ng maaga. On his part, ang nangyari, he has a lot of money, but he got no time, and he can travel, kasi mahina na siya. So for those who are starting their business ng mas maaga, you are lucky. Kasi, if you will start your business when you are young, napakadami pang room for improvement. Diba? Napakarami pang time na matututo tayo. Yun yung masaya dun eh. Yung natututo tayo. We learn, we earn. We learn, we earn. Because before you are going to earn, you must learn. Diba? Hindi naman yan pwedeng earn ka lang ng earn nang wala ka natututunan. Iba yon. The good thing about online business, gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, 5 years ko na pong sinasabi ito. Sa online business, you have a lot of time. Hawak mo ang oras mo. Ikaw ang manager. Ikaw ang boss ng sarili mong oras. You can travel all you want. You can stop doing what you are doing right away. Walang boss na sasaway sa'yo. You have a lot of money. Alam mo yung pa 10 pisong tubo mo, pa 20 tubo mo. If you are grateful sa konting tubo, God will give you a lot. 'Di ba? Ganito lang yung konsepto niyan eh. Kunwari nagpahiram ka ng gamit. No? Nagpahiram ka ng gamit. Tapos, yung gamit na yun, or like, for example, yung friend ko, nanghiram ng car. Nanghiram ng kotse. Yung isang friend ko, nung binalik niya yung kotse, putik-putik, ang dumi-dumi, ganyan. So, ang tanong, papahiramin ko pa ba? Siyempre, hindi na. Nadala ako eh. Kagaya ng pagpapautang ng pera, no? Kapag nagpautang ka ng pera, binigyan mo ng 1,000, ang sabi maibabalik daw in span of 3 days na ibalik agad. Okay? Ngayon, yung isa mong friend, nangutang sa'yo ng 5,000, sabi ibabalik daw after a week, hindi na ibalik. Umabot ng buwan, umabot ng taon. Papahiramin mo pa ba kapag nanghiram? Hindi na. 'Di ba? Si God, pinapahiram lang po tayo. Tayo po ay nanghihiram lamang kay God. So if God see you na kapag pinahiram ka niya, biniyayaan ka niya, naging grateful ka sa 10 pisong kinita mo, do you think God will bless you? Yes. 'Di ba? God will bless you more. Kasi nakita niya na grateful ka pala sa mga bagay na binibigay niya. Mapapiso, 2 ang kita mo, grateful ka na. 'Di ba? You just need to be grateful and contented. That is one thing na ikinababagsak ng mga entrepreneurs sa ngayon. Kasi gusto nila ng mas malaking kita. Naghanap sila ng ibang supplier. Yung supplier nila nagsara, makakabalik pa ba sila sa C-Shop? Hindi na. 'Di ba? Meron akong isang distributor noon. Ang baba na ng kita niya, satellite na siya, no? Tapos, hindi na kontento sa kinikita na ang mahal nga ng benta nila eh. 100 pesos, 250, malaki yung kita nila. Pero hindi na kontento. Gusto pang higitan si C-Shop. Ang ginawa, naghanap ng ibang supplier. Ngayon, dumating yung pandemic. Yung supplier niya nagsara. Si C-Shop nandito pa din. Do you think I will still accept him sa C-Shop? No. Because once you betrayed me, you betrayed me. Diba? So, ganun yun. No? Kapag tinalikuran nyo na ako bilang mentor ninyo, bilang business partner ninyo, I won't accept you. Kaya nga sabi ko bawal po ang magkaroon ng ibang supplier because that serves as a respect sa company. 'Di ba? So, ganun yun. If you are not grateful for 10 pesos na kinikita mo, 20 pesos na kinikita mo, God won't bless you more. Hindi ka niya ibe-bless ng mas malaki. Kasi hindi ka nga nakokontento Actually, yun yung kalaban nating mga tao. Greed sa puso natin. Yung pagkaganid. 'Di ba? So, you must choose wisely if you want to become an employee or you want to start your business and take risks. You have to decide as early as you can if you want to become an entrepreneur or an employee forever. Starting a business is easy but maintaining it is not. Ganito lang yan, no? This is me 5 years ago. Yes, we cannot serve 2 masters at the same time. Just serve one master. Tama yan, Ma'am Annabella. A day in the life of an entrepreneur. At 5 a.m., I'll wake up. Thank you, Lord, for another day. 5:30, there comes a problem. 6 o'clock, it will be solved. 6:30, there will be another problem. 7 o'clock, it will be resolved. Roller coaster ride ang entrepreneurship. Di ganun kadali. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo. Tingnan nyo, ang dami kong tigyawat. Because of stress. Charot. Di ba? But entrepreneurship is really fun. Napakasaya maging entrepreneur. Kasi makikita mo na lang one day, lahat pala ng pinagpaguran mo, nagbubunga. Lahat pala ng itinanim mo, mamumunga. Lagi nyo lang tatandaan na ang araw na itinanim mo ang buto ay hindi ang araw na aanihin mo ang bunga. Patience, consistency, persistence. Tsaka higit sa lahat, pananampalataya. Sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon, kaalaman at pananampalataya sa may kapal. Yan ang top 5 na characteristic ng isang successful entrepreneur. Yung mga gold members ko, napakasisipag niyan. Sinasabayan ako niya ng 5 a.m. gising na. Nagpo-post na. Blessed morning to everybody. Kapag makita mo sa group chat, no? 5 a.m. gising na yung mga major distributors. That's how they work. And I really love my major distributors. My gold members, they are my foundation. Every time that I am, yung feeling ko, stress ako, alam mo, ang pinupuntahan ko yung mga major distributors. Committing to a dream and persevering through daily challenges that comes up with business ownership, it's not easy. Bago ka maging strong, marami kang iyak na pagdadaanan. Yes, exactly. Alam nyo ba, si Miss Ram, pinaiyak ng isang taong hinusga-husgahan yung kakayahan ko before. But that serves as a big, isang malaking hamon para sa akin. Taga-Tacloban yun hindi ko yun makakalimutan, sabi niya sa akin. No? Alam mo, Ram, hindi ka magtatagumpay dyan. Alam mo, mali ang ginagawa mo. Hindi ka magiging successful sa CY shop. Sabi niya sa akin. Tumatak sa utak ko yun. Sabi ko, one day I'll prove you wrong. There's a lot of people na iyak ako ng iyak nun. Kasi tapos kinabukasan, I come up with a great idea na mag-offer ng business partnership. Kasi reseller lang yun before si ZY Shop And when that idea comes up, ang dami nang nagsigayahan. Diba? Sabi nga, success is a slow process. If there is pain, there is hope. Yan yung lagi nating tatandaan. Sa kabila ng iyak ng bawat luha ko noon, ito yung nagtagumpay naman kami. Yung even, yes, kahit na family mo hindi ka susuportahan. 'Di ba? You have 5,000 friends on Facebook. Tapos sabi mo, mag-online business ako because I have 5,000 friends on Facebook. Tapos sabi mo, kaya ko to. 'Di ba? Tapos, when you invite them to like your page, out of 5,000, 20 lang yung nag-likes. 'Di ba? 20 lang yung nag-like sa Facebook page mo, pero 5,000 yung friends mo. Sabi ko nga, huwag kayo madismaya. Strangers are best business partners. Kasi minsan, no, ikaw, supplier ka na. Tapos may pinsan ka, binentahan mo. Alam mo yung pinsan mo, kukuha pa sa iba kesa sa'yo. Nangyari na ba sa inyo yan? Yung ultimo kapamilya mo, sila mismo, sila mismo kakalabanin ka. 'Di ba? That is crab mentality in Filipinos. They do not want other people to succeed. And that's the funny part. Unlike Chinese, kapag merong nagtatagumpay, alam mo, hinihila nila lahat pataas. That is ant mentality naman. Yun yung ini-impose ko naman sa lahat ng major distributors. Kaya nga one time, no, yung isa nating distributor dito na bash, na post sa isang buy and sell group na siya daw ay scammer. Alam mo ang ginawa ng mga distributor? Lahat sila nag-message doon sa post. Diba? Lahat sila nag-message, pinagtanggol yung kapwa distributor nila. And that is the time that I can say, I am leading the right team. I am with the right people. Kasi nagtutulungan ang mga sisters. And I am very happy with that. Sobrang napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na yung mga distributor ko pala, iaangat nila ang bawat isa. Diba? Hindi tayo magkakakilala, hindi tayo magkakamag-anak, hindi tayo magkakadugo. But God put us in one team, in one group. The question is why? Because God wants us na tumulong sa ibang tao. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi, no? Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, sisters, if you are blessed right now because of ZY, go ahead and bless other people. Let's become an inspiration to other people. Lalo na dun sa mga gold members, gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo before. Guys, maging biyaya tayo sa ibang tao. Diba? Never start a business to make money. Start a business to make a difference. And that is our goal dito sa ZY Shop. The more you prepare, the better chance you have of succeeding as a business owner. If you have a goal, wag lang siyang maging goal. Ganito yan. Kuha ka ulit ng papel, no? Sa papel mo, ano bang gusto mong i-achieve? Ano bang gusto mong i-achieve sa papel mo? I want to have... sige. Sulat na lang tayo sa papel. 1 million pesos in bank. Okay. Let's say, ito yung goal mo. Yan yung goal mo. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano ang gagawin mo para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo? Hindi naman yan pwede yung hihilata ka lang. Hindi naman yan pwede yung matutulog ka lang, magkaka 1 million ka na. Ano to? Tumaya tayo sa loto. Kung gusto niyo yun. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo magtagumpay, kailangan mong planuhin. Ngayon, the next question is, how? How will I achieve 1 million peso in bank? Anong gagawin mo para ma-achieve mo to? Isa lang. Sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon. Sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon. Sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon. Sipagan mo pa. Tiyagaan mo pa yan. Makapag-ipon ka muna bago pumorma. Tamang-tama, Ma'am Eileen. 'Di ba? Bago ka pumorma, bago ka bumili ng mga bagay na gusto mong bilhin, bago ka bumili ng iPhone 12, pag-ipunan mo muna yung emergency fund mo. Na kapag may emergency, may madudukot ka. 'Di ba? Tapos alam nyo, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Ito, bigyan ko kayo ng tip paano ako nag-achieve ng goal, no? I write it down in a paper. Actually, I have a planner. No, sa planner ko, ito yung planner. O, tignan mo, You go, girl. 'Di ba? Kapag down na down ka na, yung planner ko nagsasalita, you go, girl. Sabi niya. 'Di ba? So, everything nakasulat po diyan, no? Tapos sabi kong ganyan. Kapag yung meron akong goal, sulat ko dito. I need to have ZY Express. I need to have my own career. I'll say that early in the morning, 5 a.m., I'll wake up. Bubuksan ko yung planner ko. Kailangan magkaroon ako ng sarili kong career. Bago ako matulog, sasabihin ko, kailangan magkaroon ako ng sarili kong career. I need to have 5 million in my bank. I need to have 5 million in my bank. Tomorrow, I need to have 5 million in my bank. You say it oftenly. Sabihin mo. Sabi yan sa law of attraction. You attract what you have eh. So, let's attract more. Diba? If you do have a goal, isulat mo sa papel. Diba? Sulat mo sa papel. Tapos, isipin mo, paano mo maa-achieve. Hindi mo kasi maa-achieve yan if goal lang. Kung walang plano. Paano mo naman maa-achieve kung walang plano? Diba? So, with that, guys, just want to also announce that I am offering an exclusive mentorship. Exclusive mentorship. One-on-one yan. Mag-meeting tayo one-on-one. Ano bang plano mo? Diba? So, you just need to message Miss Ram na page and then set up an appointment so that I'll know when will be your appointment. Let me know ano ba yung plano mo. Para matulungan kita because I'm your mentor, I'm your coach. So, ang kaya ko dito, bigyan ka ng mga advice. The pros and cons ng mga gusto mong gawin sa negosyo. Diba? I'll offer that for free. Okay? That is for free. All you need to do is to message Miss Ram na page, tapos magsaset up yun ng appointment with you. Ito, you have to build your own business with the right mindset. Kailangan right mindset. Diba? Always remember that mindset is a set of beliefs or a way of thinking that determines one behavior, outlook, and mental attitude. Ito lang yan. You need to have a mindset of an entrepreneur. A mindset of a champion. Entrepreneur is yung may pera ka. Kung may pera ka ngayon, mag-invest ka. Kung entrepreneur ka. Ha? Pero kung consumer ka, may pera ka, bibili ka ng kung anong gusto mo. Wala namang masamang bumili ng gusto mo. Ang tanong lang, paano ka makakaipon? Kasi ang maganda dyan, kapag nag-invest ka ng nag-invest, lahat ng gusto mo, in time, maa-achieve mo. Alright? Ano lang yan? You need to have the right attitude, the right behavior, the right action in order for you to have the right result. Performance. Diba? I don't make excuses. I make result. Do not think that entrepreneurship is a sprint na nagpa-practice ka lang. Take it professionally. It is a marathon. It is a marathon na kailangan nating manalo. Think about your business as a marathon, not a sprint. So how you can have a mindset of a champion? It's easy. Champions have a strong belief in themselves and a higher power. Malakas yung pananampalataya, malakas yung paniniwala sa sarili. Yung kanyang self-confidence, talagang apaw na apaw yan, no? Champions are eager students. Champions never stop learning. That's why we have our ZY shop. Champions are mentally tough and resilient. Champions know they cannot be positive all the time, but they are committed to be absolutely engaged in life. Champions do not give up. They are committed to succeed. Champions have a powerful team supporting them, and that is ZY Shop. Si ZY Shop yan. Kami yung team mo na susuporta sa'yo kahit anong mangyari. Huwag mo lang kaming iiwan. Sometimes kasi, iniisip natin, nawawalan tayo ng gana, no? Iniiwan natin yung team na sumuporta sa atin sa panahon na naghihirap tayo. Minsan pala kasi, mas mahalaga yung pera kaysa sa pinagsamahan. Napatunayan ko yan dun sa ibang distributor na nung time ng COVID, magkakasama kami eh. Pero nung tapos ng COVID, iniwan kami. Alam ng mga gold members namin yan. 'Di ba? Parang, yun yung one thing na napatunayan ko. But then, I was able to analyze, sino pa talaga yung mga major distributors ko na kasama ko na hanggang sa pagtanda. Mas kaibigan nila ang pera kaysa sa binuo natin. Yes, sis. 'Di ba? Yun yung saddest part niyan. But the good part is that I was able to analyze kung sino yung mga taong pag-iinvestan ko ng oras, ng learnings, ng knowledge. Because these are the people who will have me through thick or thin. 'Di ba? So, I want you to engage in. Kasi ito kayo. I want you to read what you have in our chat box and say it completely. Declare it. Because this is you. I want you to read it. Pa-unmute ako guys. Pa-unmute. Tapos basahin natin kung ano yung nasa chat box. Ano yung nasa chat box natin? Pakibasa. Ayan, ayan. You are a champion, guys. So let's say it completely. I am a champion. Ayan, 'di ba? Ang sarap pakinggan, guys. Thank you so much for that participation. Just always remember that you are a champion and you have a powerful team supporting you, and we have you. You have us. 'Di ba? We got your back. All right? So you guys are a champion. Just always remember that if your mind can conceive it, your heart can believe it, then you can achieve it. Right? So, ayan. Now, how ZY can help you achieve your goals? Sa ZY Shop, kami lamang po ang kumpanya sa ZY Shop na ang product ay mall pulled out and branded overruns. Kami lamang po ang kumpanya na yan kasi yung iba supplier lang. No? Supplier lang yung mga yan. Dito sa C-Shop, kami po business partner mo. So kami yan, no? Kami ang business partner mo. We have our membership categories, ZY Entrep Academy, website, and creating your passive income. Ang dali lang nito, no? You can start your own overruns business for as low as 25,000 and be your own boss. You can also get your free financial consultation. As overruns market is consistently growing in the Philippines, it is the best time for you to invest in this industry. Sabi ko nga, maraming opportunity sa Facebook. Maraming opportunity na akala mo opportunity. But those are not. 'Di ba? Kasi ang opportunity, a business opportunity is a business opportunity if the industry is growing. Is the industry that we are in is growing? The answer is totally yes. Ang daming gustong mag-engage sa e-commerce. 'Di ba? The market is consistently increasing. Yes, padami ng padami ng padami. Soon, 100,000 na ang members ng ZY Shop. And we are claiming that. Diba? Is the competition manageable? Yes, napakalayo natin sa mga kakompetensya natin. Sabi nga nung isang distributor, no? Huwag mong itanong kung bakit kami mahal. Itanong mo yung supplier mo kung bakit sila mura. Kasi walang brand value, walang worth. 'Di ba? Susuplayan ka lang ng items niyang mga yan. Pero hindi ka niyan susuportahan sa negosyo mo. Ang tingin nila sa'yo, pera. Sa C-Shop, hindi. Kasi dito, ang tanong namin sa inyo, kamusta ang business, sis? Hindi yung mag-order ka na, sis. Yung staff, ang tanong sa inyo, kamusta na ang business natin, ma'am? 'Di ba? Because you guys are our business partners. Sa supplier mo na iba, ang tingin sa'yo, pera na makakuhanan ng pera. Always remember that CY Shop major distributorship partnership plus you is equal success. It will always be you. Kasi nandito kami para gabayan ka. Surefire na yan, rapid, inexpensive, market penetration, building the future together. Start, grow, succeed. Teamwork makes the dream work. Mas masarap po magsimula ng negosyo kung may kasama ka. Your advantage as a major distributor, no? Exchange of non-moving items without specified time. Pwede kang magpapalit ng non-moving items mo dito. Advertisement ng page mo. Access to e-learning sessions. Unlimited yan. Sa C-Shop e-learning corner, I just want to present to you, no? Our C-Shop e-learning corner grows bigger. Because we are now in partnership with the Academy for Entrepreneurship ng Australia. We will have some speakers from Australia. So this is the first in the Philippines, no? We will become the first entrepreneurial business school in the Philippines where you will learn and be mentored by entrepreneur that have launched, built, and scaled successful business and startup around the world. Ito yung number one. At the Academy, you will learn via experience, not theory. From experts that have already done what you are trying to do. What you are trying to do is to start your business. So Ram already started the business and grow the business. That is why I am here to mentor you, to coach you in order for you to succeed in this business. To become a successful entrepreneur. And soon be awarded as an outstanding entrepreneur in the Philippines. So am I. Diba? What better way than to learn from the people that are already successful? That is why, guys, we have our workshop and hands-on activities that are designed for you to learn step by step how you can transform any idea into a successful business opportunity. Turn your idea into a business opportunity created and thought by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. We are here to provide you with a platform to learn and practice your skills of successful entrepreneurs. Diba? This is the first in the Philippines talaga na ang magtuturo ay hindi lamang mga coaches. Ang magtuturo po sa inyo dito, mga successful Filipino entrepreneurs. We also have some guests from Australia na kasama ko sa Rotary International. So, ayan. Dito talaga yan. Number 1 yan dito sa C-Shop. So, why choose C-Shop? Because we are here not just to earn. We are here to learn and earn, learn and earn. So, that is number 1. Yan talaga yung advantage and edge ni C-Shop sa iba naming kakumpetensya. Kaya wag niyong tatanungin kung bakit ang mahal, sabi nila, di ba, no? Tanungin niyo sila, bakit sila mura? Because they don't have value. Because they do not have what it takes. They do not have what C-Shop can offer. C-Shop has a lot to offer. That is one thing. E-commerce business engagement is number 1. So, we have our mall pulled out and branded overruns. Yung mall pulled out natin, no? FYI, hindi po ito mga repro. Hindi po ito yung mga nabibili sa Baclaran Divisoria. Kaya wag na wag nyo kaming ikukumpara sa kanila. Because we are far away from them. Because what they sell are repro. Mga reproduce. Diba? Mga reproduce. Mga reproduce yon. Ayan. So, we also have branded overruns from Bangladesh. So, these are branded overruns na factory excess. Naka-plastic po ang mga branded overruns namin, pack na pack. Kapag binenta nyo, magkano lang nyo lang makukuha yan kapag major distributor na kayo, pag business partner namin kayo, magkano nyo makukuha lang, no? Kaya mataas talaga yung kita kapag business partner ka na. Tapos, ano ka pa, creative na gagawa ka ng iba't ibang packages. Sobrang ganda. You just need to set your customer's expectation properly. No? Ang mall pull-out namin, FYI lang, ang mall pull-out namin po ay hindi valid for display sa mall. Kaya wag nyo sa akin sasabihin na, ma'am, dapat po i-QC nyo yan. Bagsak nga sa QC tapos ipapa-QC mo sa amin. Diba? Business name registration is part of your package. No, kasi dito sa ZY Shop, kasi nga tayo ay samahan ng mga negosyanteng Pinoy. Kaya kailangan natin registered sa DTI. So yan, libre na yan, assistance ng C-Shop para sa mga business partners natin. Aromagic Therapy Oil, that is another product that we have. So tayo, meron tayong tinatawag na membership category, silver member, gold members, and diamond members. Silver member, kayo po ito, yung mga bagong major distributor ni Z-Shop. Gold member, magiging gold member ka, lahat po kayo pwedeng maging gold member. Kung ang attitude nyo swak na swak sa pagiging gold member, proud kayong maging part ng C-Shop, at maka-avail kayo ng 300k worth of items, swak na swak kayo para maging gold member ni C-Shop. Number 1 talaga dyan, attitude. Kasi kahit na mababa yung availment mo, pero yung attitude mo talaga is talagang nakakatuwa, no? Yung natutuwa yung admin. Kasi ang nag-ano niyan sa amin, nag-po-promote niyan are admins. Diamond member naman, ito na yung satellite partners ni C-Shop. Advantage of our diamond members, lower than the lowest price. Business marketing channel ni C-Shop from the CY main office. Diyan kumukuha ang ating satellite partners from satellite partners. Diyan kumukuha ang ating mga town major distributor. Ngayon, ang pinapalaki natin ang ating mga business reseller, barangay reseller. So, if you want me to talk in your barangay at sakupin natin lahat ng mga customers natin dyan, no? Pwede nyo akong tawagan at mag-conduct ako ng isang talk, livelihood program. Pwede ko pong gawin yan sa inyo. Ang gold member ko, ito yung mga taong tinitrain ko para mas maging mabuting entrepreneur. No, para mas marami tayong taong matulungan. Once you sign up as a major distributor, i-add kayo ng ating mga staff sa mga group chat. Also in ZY Products. Sa ZY Products, no inquiries dyan. Bawal mag-chat. No? That is only for products. ZY Marketing Team, JNT Assistance Desk, pero lahat ng communication, if possible, please communicate na lang directly tayo sa ating pages. I just want to also engage you sa ating career commitment days. 5 to 6 business days for ang commitment ni JNT. If Palawan Romblon, 45 days. Yung sending ng tracking number will always be every Thursday and Sunday. Please take note of that. Tapos, meron tayong binuong team, that is a customer care team. If there are complaints, please email directly na sa ating customer care team, no? JRS commitment days is 3 to 4 weeks. If Palawan is 45 days. Creating passive income, yan talaga yung target natin dito. System is a home-based online business, home-based online store na hindi mo kailangan ng pwesto, can be done using your mobile phones and data. So, for the live video in our Facebook pages, this ends our topic today. So, just hold on naman dun sa mga naka-Zoom. So, that's all for me, guys. Maraming salamat for joining in and watching. And para sa lahat ng mga major distributors na nanonood naman doon sa ating pages, I will have a separate kasi na discussion about the dropshipping process, no? Kasi ang dropshipping process para lamang ito doon sa mga major distributors na. So, hold on naman doon sa mga nasa team. Hindi pa po tayo tapos doon sa mga nasa Zoom. Tatapusin ko lang yung nandoon sa live video sa Facebook. So, thank you!